Hello and welcome to the final part of this XAMPP installation tutorial. In this part, actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna download the WordPress and we're gonna install the WordPress on top of the XAMPP. For that, let's go to wordpress.com. I'm sorry, we need to go to wordpress.org. And click on download WordPress 4.1 and click on it again. Now it will download the WordPress 4.1. Meanwhile, I'm going to go into the XAMPP folder. I'm going to click here, open application folder, and I'm going to go inside htdocs. And I'm going to create a new folder named WordPress. And I'm going to get the contents of the WordPress folder that I have downloaded. And I'm going to paste it here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to localhost slash WordPress. Okay, we will need all these 5 details: a database name that we're going to create now, and the database username and password. For XAMPP, it's usually the username is root and password is an empty password, so you don't have to type anything. The database host is going to be localhost since it's installed in the local PC or Mac or Linux PC or whatever. And the table prefix is something that you can give. By default, WordPress will give you a table prefix equal to something similar to WP underscore, but you can always change it. For security reasons, sometimes people tend to change the WP into something else. But since it's just a test environment and this is just for the demonstration on how to install WordPress locally, I'm not going to bother about changing the prefix, though it's very simple. So the next step is we're going to go back into localhost. I'm going to go back to localhost and I'm going to select the language as English. And in the left side, I'm going to click on PHP My Admin. And now I'm going to click on New. And I'm going to give it a name, let's say WP. Click on Create. Now I'm going to select the database. Now I have a database named WP. So let's come back here and click on Let's Go. The database name is WP. The username is root and the password is empty. So let's delete that. Database host is localhost and the table prefix WP underscore. I'm going to leave it as it is. Click on Submit. Okay, what they're saying is there is a issue related to the permissions on the files, so they want us to manually replace a file or create a file named wp-config.php. So let's copy this. Now I go here and I paste it here and I'll save it as save it in the desktop. Save it. Use PHP. Yeah. Now go to the home page, wp-config.php. Let's copy it, or simply drag it and drop it here. Now I'm going to click the run the install. Now it's asking me to set a title. I'm going to set the title of my site as jmayu. I'm going to give it a username and a password of your choice and an email. This option really doesn't matter because we are running it locally, so I'll uncheck it and click on install WordPress. Okay, the WordPress has successfully installed. Now we should be able to see the site if we go to localhost/WordPress. Yes, the site is loading. Congratulations. So if you want to log into the admin panel, you can click here, or alternatively you can type localhost/WordPress/wp admin, and it will bring you to the login page, and type your username and password that you provided during the installation process. There you go, you are in the dashboard now. Now if you click on post, you can see the post. If you click on pages, you can see the pages. If you click on dashboard, you can get back to the dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully installed WordPress locally on your PC or Mac. Now you can do whatever that we are going to do in our tutorial in this installation instance. Goodbye, take care.